Welcome to VGS World. If you're sick and tired of using chemicalized shampoos on your hair, this is the video you got to watch it. In this video, I'm going to unbox an organic shampoo which I ordered from Flipkart. I have received the package. Let's cut open and check. Before that, if you're new to VGS World and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I request you to subscribe my channel and support it. So let's get into the video. This organic shampoo is from the brand Arata. They claim it's 100% organic and doesn't contain any sort of chemicals. Let's take a glance of the key ingredients of this shampoo so that to make sure whether it really does contain any sort of chemicals or just the organic ingredients what Arata is claiming. It's a 300 ml shampoo bottle which costs around 600 rupees, but you will get it on offer on different e-commerce platforms like Flipkart and Amazon. You can also order these shampoos from their home sites. Quite often you get good deal on these shampoos, so please check the link in the description below if in case you want to try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.